welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce this vehicle that we've been working on at the moment. So what we've installed on this L1H1 Ford Transit Custom is we've converted it to a mobile office in the rear. We've added in custom lighting on the exterior. Flood lighting, working lights, as well as a custom switch panel to control it all. In the back of the van we've got custom sort mode racking. We've made it into a really bespoke mobile office, so we've turned it all into leather in the back. We've added in a floor, we've added in a roof, and also we've added in a 27-inch screen giving the access to Freeview. We've also got Apple TV linking onto that screen as well. So what I'll do, like to show you around the vehicle quickly. As you can see in here, we've got the bespoke racking solution on your right hand side. We've got a normal office chair in here. It looks really stunning. We've got the whiteboard there on the left hand side as well, so you can keep notes of all your work. That's the screen that we've added in. We've got our two logos for the main engineers that have been working on this, which are Dave and Matt. So all their details are on there on a little plaque. I've obviously got your normal household sockets in there as well, all embossed straight into, flush mounted onto leather. And then one cool little feature and a little showpiece on this particular vehicle is we've added in a bespoke table with the logo of the company that we've done the work for embossed upon it. And then you can see in the corner there your Apple TV with a HDMI switchover box, and then you've got a HDMI controller there as well. Thank you very much for watching our short video. I'd just like to once again thank Smarter Metering Services for allowing us to work on their vehicles. Absolute privilege and an honour. So thank you very much again for watching this short video. For more details, I'll be dropping all the links below, so feel free to check that out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.